When I pray for someone like you, I knew God listened. When I pray for genuine love and happiness, God listened too. Dahil lahat ng iyon ikinubli niya sa hulma mo. Lahat ng iyon ay naramdaman ko sa iyo. Alam ko, nakinig siya nung minsan ikwento kita kung gaano kita kagusto.
Tell me to calm down. Look all around us here.
As we stand on the edge of this beautiful journey, together, I am filled with so much gratitude and paghanga. You are a loving partner, a good son, and an incredible hardworking man na nagbigay sa akin ng inspirasyon sa araw-araw.
Marvin! Yan, ingatan nyo yan. 3 months to pay yan. Oo, kine-credit card ko pa yan. Bayaran
6 months
yan.
to pay muna.
6 months. Thank you,
Master!
We will build a home filled with laughter, love, and understanding as we embrace on the journey together. I promise to you, more with each passing day, I will be your faithful partner, your loyal supporter, and your biggest fan. I am also blessed to have you in my life, and I look forward to every moment of our future together.
Ang inyong pagsasama bilang mag-asawa sa diwa ng kasal ay biyaya para sa inyong bawat pamilya. Kaya ipasalamatan, pahalagahan, ingatan, at laging ipahayag na ang pagsasama ninyo bilang mag-asawa ay pagpapahayag ng inyong pakikiisa sa ating Panginoon sa kanyang magandang plano at kalooban.
Babe, thank you sa gift mo. Dahil dito, di mo na ako mahabol pag nag-away tayo. Salamat sa effort na binigay mo.
Babe, thank you sa gift mo. I promise na iingatan ko to and susuotin ko lagi ito. Ito na yung second lucky charm ko. Thank you. From this day, I pledge to build with you a life filled with tawanan, patience, and endless support. Together, alam kong kaya natin harapin ang lahat. Hand in hand and every heart to heart. I love you and I am yours forever, today and always. Today, as we become one, I vow to always cherish the gentle and kind heart you've shared with me. I promise to be by your side, supporting you with unwavering love, as you've always done for me.